Good afternoon. My name is Tebogo, Moeti. I'm part of What is Men, Restoring the Legacy of Manhood. I'm standing here today. I want to invite you to our conference, our annual conference in August, the 26th of 2023, where we will be talking about household matters. And just to touch briefly about our last conference, where the theme was In the Light, I would like to invite all you men that would like to hear more about the household matters. And household matters, what is it? It's all about things concerning business, things concerning family, things concerning father, things concerning husband, and things concerning uncle, and all related things. So we're going to be discussing that. We have a great lineup of speakers that will be talking to us about household matters. I want to invite you not to miss this. This year, it's our 11th conference running, and by God's grace, lives of men have been impacted, lives have been changed. So we invite you to join us, book the tickets in time so that you don't get disappointed. Our tickets will be out, and please invite a friend. Any man that wants to hear about the issues concerning household matters, invite him and do join us. You will be blessed, and don't be disappointed if you don't book on time. God bless you.